12 easy phrasal verbs to improve your writing and speaking. Hello. Today we're going to learn 12 easy phrasal verbs that will help you improve your writing and speaking in English. But first, let's quickly go over what phrasal verbs are. Phrasal verbs are combinations of a verb and one or more small words, like prepositions or adverbs, that together create a meaning different from the original verb. Let's get started and boost your English skills with these simple phrasal verbs. Point out, meaning to show or mention something. Example, she pointed out a mistake in the report. Carry out, meaning to do or complete a task. Example, the scientist carried out an experiment. Stem from, meaning to come from or be caused by something. Example, his success stems from hard work. Culminate in, meaning to end with a result after a process. Example, months of training culminated in her winning the race. Lead to, meaning to cause something to happen. Example, lack of sleep can lead to health problems. Put forward, meaning to suggest or present an idea. Example, she put forward a new idea for the project. Figure out, meaning to understand or solve something. Example, he finally figured out how to fix his computer. Take into account, meaning to think about something when making a decision. Example, you should take into account the weather before going outside. Make up, meaning to be a part of something. Example, women make up half of the workforce. Give rise to, meaning to cause something to happen. Example, the heavy rain gave rise to flooding in the area. Break down, meaning to explain something clearly in simple steps. Example, the teacher broke down the difficult topic so everyone understood. Bring up, meaning to start talking about something in a conversation. Example, she brought up the new project idea in the meeting. Remember, learning phrasal verbs takes practice, but every small step brings you closer to fluency. Keep going, keep practicing, and soon you'll speak English with confidence. You've got this. Thank you.